See, I'm happy to read about a pioneering initiative taken by Usha Naik, where her daughter's wedding rituals were conducted. Dr. Gautami and Dr. Prathamesh. It is truly an inspiration to the entire state and the country, and it is a pioneering initiative. I hope that the government looks at this and this is an eye opener for them. I congratulate them, the family members of both the bride and the groom. Also, the government should realize that the widow discrimination happening in the state, and Goa should be the first state to get this bill or a law that was told to me by the Honorable Minister of Women and Child, Mr. Vishwajit Rani, and the Chief Minister. We had put the private members bill resolution, and in this private members resolution it was assured that it would come up. However, they have failed. I hope they take cognizance of this event and definitely come and resolve these problems against widow discrimination.